That's my custom cruisers. You can see the other pipe fitted on. You can obviously see the sealer around the pipes there, and obviously the heat shield will cover all that up. The clamps are tightened up. The new brackets on here. Used the UNC bolt on that. Quite a big weight saving as well compared to the stock system. Stock system, I've got to admit, is enormous. But you can see this is the original stuff, and all this got rid of the cat as well. So should really fly. But do you want to start him up, see what it sounds like? We'll put the other heat shield on in a sec. That's not too bad, is it? That's livable, isn't it? Yeah. That's not too bad, is it? To be honest with you, I doubt you get pulled with that in traffic. Yeah. Brilliant, yeah, thanks. That's spot on, isn't it? It's not